Editing an AI-generated course on Adaptiv is easy. Let's start with the cover image. You can add a personalized cover by uploading an image from your device or choosing an image from the web. Next, if you like, you can add a description for your course. Choose a category for your course from the drop-down. Add skills and decide if your course is paid or free. Once you've edited the course details, you can update the icons for the lessons and the titles. Moving on to the content section, this is where you can review the content generated by the AI and make any changes needed. You can edit the language, add or remove content according to your requirements. You can also add images, GIFs, and even videos to make your course more interesting and keep your learners engaged. Finally, once you have reviewed the content, all you have to do is publish the course and share it with your learners.